Drummers, musicians, YouTubers, drummer, drum teacher Tim Connolly here today with a fantastic drum lesson. Today we're going to look at syncopated bass drum beats. Syncopated means that we're off the downbeat. We're not playing the strong beat, which is the 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the beat. We're playing, in this case, the ands. So that's a slightly weaker beat than the downbeat. Now you can also play the E and the which is also a weaker beat, but those are 16th notes. Today we're just going to focus on the 8th note and. All right, so we're going to have 5 different grooves featuring the bass drum on the and of the beat. I am going to do a future video featuring the E and the and also the snare drum syncopated as well. But anyways, let's get to those bass drum syncopated beats. All right, so those are the 5 syncopated bass drum beats that I wanted to cover today. They're very, very important beats. They're in relation to the money beats. If you check out my other video, the money beats, these are variations of those money beats, okay? Now, thank you very much, all my new subscribers that have recently subscribed to my channel. It's very, very much appreciated. I'm still building my channel, and I'm hoping that my audience out there enjoys the lessons, and I can keep giving you these lessons on a weekly basis. So, thank you very much. Like and subscribe, comment. We'll see you back here soon. Take care. Keep drumming.